Okay, I just replaced my high beams. Got the low beams in that, and I just got the high beams today, and I replaced them. Man, I tell you what, I thought low beams were tough. The high beams were incredibly tough. You got to take all this off. I actually tried to take first I took all this off. I tried to take the speaker out. I think, okay, I can take the speaker out and get right to those high beams, but you can't. There's a speaker box back behind there, and I tried to take all that out and move the plastic, and it was a pain, so I had to put it all back together. So I had to take this off, and you got to reach, and this foot warmer thing you got to take off, and you got to reach in there, pull the other one out. The boot is hard because you got no room to put your hand in there. You got to, I mean, my hand's all cut up and fingers are all cut up from sticking my arms in there. But I got them, and I had to take this off and all the electronic stuff underneath to get at the other one. And that one actually was a little bit easier. This one's a little bit hard just because of the angle. But check this out. Let me show you. Look how bright these babies are. And they're bright. Look at that. Woo-wee. People pull out in front of me now, they're getting my high beams, and I'm going to blind them. But I love these Pathfinder lights. So, oops, I got to always turn that off. Oh, there it goes. But anyway, got my low beams and got my high beams. I put all the other light bulbs in here, the low beams, the adapters and everything are in here. So, there's my trailer underneath there. I got it covered up. So we got it done, and that's, oh God, what a job. Low beams. Next time if I do low beams, take this off too, because that gives you a little bit more room to get in there. This is really easy to pop off. They just snap in. You undo a connector here. You undo the speakers, the tweeter, and then on mine, I have another connector with the LED lights and the voltage and how much I have my back end raised up. So it was a pill. It's a pain. I mean, don't try the high beams unless you're really handy. If you're not really handy and you got small hands, I don't have huge hands, but you know, they're all scratched up, all banged up. But to reach in there is really tough. So, and if you're not real handy, it's easier just to pay somebody to have it done. Anyway, bye.